Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. After clicking on battery, then click on power saving settings, and here if you turn on your automatically exist power saving mode, then turn it off. After turning off this option, then go back and scroll down and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, then click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now on top you can see the option reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it. Now enter your passcode to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. Now press and hold your power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.